Alright everyone, so I did do a unboxing of this Wink bar. Well, I guess it's a knockoff of a Wink bar. But I I did it, I don't know, the GoPro just died and made a weird sound and stuff. This is her. Was that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mirrors? In a plastic container, shroud. They're, in there, you can't adjust them anywhere. Needs a good cleaning, that's for sure. Where's this stuff it came with? Okay, so there are instructions about how to do it. This is pretty straightforward, right? Take your L brackets and you mount it to your golf cart. But I don't have one. I'm gonna use it in the car. So here's your pieces. You got there we go. I'm assuming this slides up and down, lets you do that. This guy's for the ends. You got your little screw pieces, your L brackets. So yeah, that's gonna go in the car. Pretty cool. Show you it up close. And you can kind of see the GoPro. It's actually sitting on a can. The suction cup perfectly fit on the can, so I was like, whatever. Yeah, so that's her. Looks pretty good. Like I said, it's plastic. You hear that, So it won't take any, hardcore hits type deal, but she'll be good. That's cool. So this one's already in there because you can't get in there because this side isn't. So you could pop her in there. The name brand, weird. It's the top here. It's 10 something something 10 LOL. Oh, there you go. Right on. So yeah, I believe the dimensions for this were sit on the ground. Were like 37 inches or something like that. This thing is. Yeah, it's something like that. It's like 37, 35 inches. And it perfectly goes across the front of the car. Like, where your cat hair. But yeah, it goes right across. You unbolt your I forget what they're called, the sun visors. Yeah, sun visors. And those guys just bolt right in. Should be pretty cool. And they give her a clean. Might go and do that tonight. It's only $8.50. Who knows? Alright, well, thanks for watching. I know I haven't been making a lot of videos. Like, my last one was a long time ago. I just didn't really have anything to, I don't know, make and post. And I didn't have any software, but I found some. So, yeah. And if you see any more videos, it's because I'm having fun. Have a good one.